This video will show you how to replace the Serpentine belt idler pulley on a Chrysler Town Country with a 3.8 liter engine. This will be located along the passenger side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Let's start removing our Serpentine belt. To remove the Serpentine belt, you're going to have to make your way all the way down to the Serpentine belt tensioner. You can see I have my 3/8 drive ratchet down on it at this point. Now, as I mentioned, you could use that 3/8 drive ratchet, or you could also use a Serpentine belt tool with a 3/8 drive adapter, which is what I'll use. There we go. Now that we have the belt set aside, as we make our way down here, we can see where our idler pulley is. Directly in the center of it, you have a 13mm mounting bolt. Go ahead and remove the bolt and the pulley. For this, I'm using a ratcheting wrench. There it is, friend. Let's continue on to cleaning our mounting surface. I'm going to use a wire brush. Let's prepare to install our brand new idler pulley. Now the first thing we have to do is have a look. You're going to find on one side or the other, you have a bushing. You can go ahead and set that aside for recycling. We do not need that for this application. Let's prepare to install that idler pulley. I'm going to start my bolt through it first. We'll bring it down into position. We'll make sure it's properly in place, snug up that bolt, and torque it to 250 inch-pounds. For this, I'm just going to use a 13mm crow's foot so I can get into this area. Double check, make sure that's secured in place. Let's get the belt in the proper orientation here. We want to make sure we have the belt going around our power steering pump. We're going to take the smooth portion along our idler pulley. Now let's just continue on bringing this towards the alternator. We're going to have to pivot that tensioner clockwise so we can release tension and slide this over the alternator pulley. So now as I'm sliding the belt into place, I want to point out one thing. Now this is an extreme case, but you do want to pay attention to each one of the pulleys, especially the grooved pulleys. We need to make sure that the belt is properly seated. I have this off just so I can show you. If you had the belt sitting off like this, or even off by one of the teeth, you're going to destroy the belt and potentially cause other damage. Let's make sure everything's properly seated and in the proper routing. Just double check each one of the pulleys before removing our tool. This looks good. Okay friend, we finished our installation. We've already triple checked the belt routing. At this point, go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.